The Centre for Digital Public Services was set up in 2021 to drive delivery of the Wales digital strategy. But because we're a new organisation, we seek to be the best in every area of our work, because we can. That applies to our policies and our activities to support equality, diversity and inclusion in CDPS. And within that is our goal for pay parity. The gender pay gap for all employees in the UK in 2022 was 15%. So men are still paid on average more than women. If you look at CDPS's gender pay gap report, that's not the case. Women on average receive more pay than men at CDPS. We're a small organisation, so a few senior leadership roles have a big impact on our figures. And to make it clear, we're not aiming to pay women more than men. We're aiming on balance for equal pay for equal work. Making sure we understand and report our gender pay gap is just part of CDPS's strong commitment to equality, diversity and inclusion. Our recruitment approach and our staff policies aim to be the best they can be to drive this. I job share in my chief executive role with Myra Hunt. We've been job sharing for 12 years, and so our personal experience gives us a strong commitment to equality. So we really want CDPS to walk the walk on this and not just talk the talk. It's not easy because of the long-term history of lack of equality that is all around us. So it's a work in progress. We need to keep looking at what we're doing. We need to keep taking specialist advice. But we're really clear that our goal is to ensure that we give equal access to work at CDPS and that everyone is fairly rewarded for what they do.